guys, welcome to this video. So we're going to be doing another wear test. We're doing a concealer wear test, you guys. I've never tried out a concealer from this brand. Don't forget to check out my other drugstore review videos. I've done skin tints, I've done concealers. They are all here on this channel. So this is the Creme shop. The concealer is called What Acne Full Coverage Rescue Concealer. I've got the package right here. Now I went back and forth between this color and the next shade up, and this color is light 20. The next one, I believe it was called a medium something. It might have been medium 10, but it was similar to a concealer that I already have, so I thought I'm gonna go ahead and try this one. I love to use concealer. I love a lot of product. I love a full coverage amount of product. I love a creamy product. I love something that dries down matte. So this concealer was only $9.99 at the drugstore, you guys. I think that's a great price for a concealer. You get a lot in there. It's probably gonna last a couple months if you use makeup every day. You get, it says 0.25 ounces. I love this like matte pink sleek packaging. It's plastic though, it looks glass, but I think it's just plastic. And it's got a nice thin doe foot applicator, so if you've got a small eye area wherever you want to put this, I think that's great for that. It's not some huge applicator that you're gonna accidentally like hit your eyelashes with or something like that. The color is lighter than my skin tone, but it still is a little warm. I think I like that. It's got like a little bit of a hint of yellow in there, and that is something that I really look for because it has like the brightening quality that I like. All right, and then also if you were gonna get your foundation color in this concealer, because you might like it, you might have acne, you might want to cover some blemishes on your cheeks that are not just necessarily under your eyes. You might want to cover some blemishes that are a different color than your natural skin tone on your forehead. Could get my skin tone, my foundation color, and just spot it here and see how full coverage the product gets on top of that. This will be great for spotting because it's a small instrument. We're gonna try this out not necessarily only on blemish marks, which I do have a lot of. We're gonna try this under my eyes, but just so you have reference, I do have this blemish here right under my eye. My concealer is probably gonna go down to about here. And then for the wear test, I'm gonna do everything I normally do: primer, foundation, powder, setting spray for makeup. I'm doing a full face of makeup today. Now, what we're not going to do is reapply powder throughout the day. We're not going to put powder over this again throughout the day. We want to see how it wears really. So for primer today, I'm not going to change it up. Lately, I've been using this with all my wear tests, the Maybelline Baby Skin Primer. So I'm going to fast forward through a little bit of makeup application so we can get to the concealer part. So I put on my foundation. As you can see, I left under my eyes clear. I left this open. I left this open. But I'm wearing foundation like everywhere else. Okay, so we're gonna try and see how this looks, how this covers all my hyperpigmentation. I naturally have some creases under my eyes. I'm just gonna start with spot application. And we're gonna let it sit for a while before we spread it around there. But here, I'm gonna add it just like normal. Now this color is pretty, a little bit goes a long way. I never put it back into here, and that to me feels like a lot of concealer. Wow, there's so much. Wow. Now we're also gonna just add it in the places I like to highlight. So the real test is gonna be, will the product crease extra under my eyes? Like I said, I have a couple of natural creases, but will the product sink into those creases? Will it create artificial creases? Let's see how well it blends. First off, I'm going to try where that blemish was there, and I'm going to use my ring finger to do so. How well it blends, how well it covers. Let's dab it in with a brush. So it says that it's full coverage. Everything there still looks to be covered. Let's bring it on down and blend it with the foundation. I sort of have a first impression forming already that I want to tell you guys about. I think if you have any sort of like brown scarring or hyperpigmentation, it's going to take like, you know, multiple applications of the product to keep that covered, because I can still see a little bit of brown underneath. This was red, right? Let's see. Hi.
Yeah, the food's ready for eating.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Okay, breakfast is ready. Okay, so this, yeah, I want to apply more. I can see that this would be full coverage if I applied more. This isn't just makeup. It is actually part of the What Acne skincare line on the Creme shop website. There's going to be lots of scientific words I cannot pronounce. Please excuse me in advance. It says on the package, acne soothing cica, preventative allantoin, brightening tranexamic acid. Okay. And on the website, it's $10. The way it sits on looks like skincare. Most of the concealers I already own are this color, so I can always make this work, but I do think I might have enjoyed the medium. This is full coverage. Okay, so it is full coverage, but I can see right now under my eyes, it's starting to sink into the lines super, super quick. I just recently tried another concealer that didn't do that, and so that's kind of why I can see how this one is like really, really going really, really quick. It's been a couple of minutes, so I do need to set this a lot faster, which is totally fine because I set everything anyway. The only thing I need to apply on top of the concealer in order to officially start the wear test is powder. I think I'm gonna wear bronzer today. I'm probably not gonna wear blush. So we're gonna start the wear test for the concealer, you guys. It is about 8 o'clock in the morning. It's probably just 7. Oh wow. So it's 8:47. If my baby allows me time to put on more makeup, I'm probably gonna have a full face of makeup on when I come back. We're back. It is 9:33 and I've blown my nose after breakfast. So you can see I have a little bit of redness here. We're gonna go ahead and use the concealer there because I did not put powder all over my face. If you have acne that has like a reddish tone, this is a good test for you. It's liquidy and you need like a couple of applications to cover. I think that's the word I was looking for earlier, is liquidy. And I find that with a lot of skincare claiming makeup. And I have oily skin, so if you have dry skin, you might even need even more concealer than I'm using. It does cover, but it's sinking into the lines already. It's been about an hour. I need to try more of the CoverGirl Ageless products. This set. I'm actually going to add lashes. I'm going to run out. My clothes will probably look a little bit different in a couple of hours because I do need to go outside. It's raining today in Los Angeles. Definitely can't just wear a t-shirt. I've sprayed like setting spray and stuff. All right, guys, I'll see you in a little bit. It's 3 o'clock, same day. Hold on. I look a tiny bit different, you guys. We are back. It's 6 hours later. I have no earrings on. I walked the dog. I ran some errands. I've changed. It is full coverage still. It's been about 6 hours since I've been wearing the product. I'm at the Creme shop website. So the product is specifically supposed to be skincare. I recommend this product if you have acne. You could get your foundation color and put it wherever you have acne. I think if this is something that's gonna make your acne better, then go ahead and try it out. For this product as a concealer, that's what I would use it for. And that is just underneath my eyes and maybe to brighten up the center of my face, like a little bit here where it's like really bright, where the light reflects, because I have combination oily skin. I just think more product would have been good for me. Now, if I were going to go out tonight, I would reapply. You know, that's just something I would do. And I would do that with most of my other concealers too. So I think for the way that I'm using this product, I actually like this product and I would definitely use this product again. I think it's a good product. This gets a good review from me. Personally, if I use this in the future in some videos, you'll probably see me use a ton of it, which is good. Project Pan over here needs to happen. Maybe we'll bring that back. Don't forget to check out my other drugstore review videos. I've done skin tints, I've done concealers. They are all here on this channel. Check them out. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I love you so much, and I will see you in my very next video.